Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the system and exporting a driver inventory. Open PowerShell as administrator. This ensures you can read protected driver stores. Once done, create a clear destination folder like C/drivers backup or an external drive path. This prevents permission issues later. Then run export Windows driver online destination C/drivers backup to extract third-party drivers into that folder. This step saves the actual env/sys files. It's faster and more reliable than guessing which drivers you need after a reinstall. Next, you expand the backup to include OEM and device drivers. Run dism with dism/online/export driver/destination C/drivers backup to capture all installed driver packages. This complements export Windows driver by catching additional packages. While that runs, copy any vendor installers or custom utilities, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, Intel drivers into the same backup. Make sure to verify the backup contents. Confirm. Env files exist and sizes look reasonable because missing or finally you secure and learn to restore the drivers. Compress the C/drivers backup folder or copy it to an external SSD and cloud storage. Redundancy protects against disk failure. To restore a driver, open Device Manager, choose Update Driver, select Browse My Computer for drivers, and point to your backup folder. Windows will match and install the correct package. If a normal install fails, reboot to safe mode and use pnputl/addriver/install*. Env to force the driver. This resolves signature or lock conflicts in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.